Hey guys, Bongo here. Wanted to give a quick tutorial slash guide for those reaching out to research crypto. How do you do it? The easiest way I've found for either searching for new coins or looking into different sectors or both is going into CoinGecko. CoinGecko.com if you're brand new to crypto. The other one is CoinMarketCap.com. I like CoinGecko a little bit better just for the fact that they have a category section that's really easy to browse through. If you go under categories, you'll drop down another kind of subsectors, and it shows literally all the categories, whether it's you're looking at a VC's portfolio, or you can literally look into the sectors for oracles, layer ones, layer twos, layer zeros, artificial intelligence. This is where, if I'm curious about something I'm browsing through, AI is not going anywhere. AI, in my opinion, is on the cusp of doing a 10 to 15 year run of its own. No different than the dot-com bubble or the tech bubble we've seen in the past with Silicon Valley investors and things of that nature. So what you're seeing is the very, very beginning, in my opinion, for AI, not just with the stock market, but with cryptocurrency in general. And that leads me to the questions I'm getting about real world assets, or RWAs. Another big one. There's only a few really that are big. And if you look onto the Fusio platform, you'll see that too. If you haven't been to that, check it out. It's over at blockguard.org. Scroll down, click Fusio, and then you can kind of browse at the coins we have under there. But there is a real world assets category in CoinGecko, and you can run through and see coins by market cap, coins by liquidity, new versus old. It gives you all the information in terms of the correct contract address, what network they're on. Are they Ethereum only? Are they on Polygon? Where are they? A lot of good information on there. I do like what's also nice about CoinGecko is it gives you contract updates. So for example, Polygon's going through, I think, a token migration here coming up. It was noted on that. If you see, it'll usually give you a little warning banner that this token's about to migrate. You may want to sell and or move. Same thing with Fetch AI. Fetch changed their name to something, I don't know, that's a long acronym now with artificial intelligence in it. But they migrated their token as well. So they gave all that pretty much a heads up / warning on CoinGecko on a little warning banner above the actual token. So it's nice to know if you're new to that token looking to purchase, you may want to wait. Just gives you more information. So those are my major categories I'm kind of rotated into for altcoins. Altcoin season is starting to take off a little bit. In my opinion, I've done charts on Twitter if you follow me there, or X nowadays. I have a hard time calling it X, but it is what it is. All the way, crypto Blackwall, by the way. But if you rotate over to, pretty much I'm looking at, I'm losing my train of thought, early morning. I'm looking at AI, I'm looking at oracles. I've rotated into RWAs. There's DPIN stuff, which is more of a decentralized infrastructure play, which kind of incorporates a lot of the AI, the oracles, and the layer ones and layer zeros kind of all into one. Again, you can get all of this in a portfolio. If you look under Fusio, some very smart people have already done all the work for you and done a very nice diversified portfolio. I also have the Mongo fund on there. Not to plug myself, but it's a kind of very broad diverse. It's not super deep into one sector or another. I kind of picked and chose based on what I liked on each major sector at the time that we had the number of coins. Fusio has just over 100 coins currently speaking, and we'll be adding more at a later date. But that's it, guys. Go out there and research. There's nothing better than understanding what you're owning, what you're buying, the future projection over the next. Don't just think the next 8 to 12 months for this bull run. Just think of the next, 5 or 6 years. Where are we going? The narrative's not going to change. The infrastructure, in my opinion, is what banks are going to use. Global, currencies will be sent on, and the security aspect is only going to get stronger with wallets. other native things kind of bridging on to make sure interoperability is strong across all blockchains. And again, my thesis is we're not going to have one blockchain in the end. You're going to have dozens of blockchains, all interoperable, all with their own niche. And there's not going to be one winner. There's going to be dozens of winners potentially. So with that said, nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me, hit with a Crypto Blackwall on Twitter and the Blackheart Discord. Thanks.